kenje nitukoresha microwave nakoresha 2022 ingaenda ku school ku USA nakoresha washer and dryer nabikoresha ya 2022 so echinga kibwinde habwachi inka kasenga manya cyaro njenga butudu mutao ni muhano ero si one ya ini kama ibasonga limwe na wetawuni betu ngakulire ekesebereyo siri washer dryer siri microwave. So that's the first time I used those things. So ulia kole video online ikasofro tuba, this is how you use a microwave, this is how you use a washer and dryer. Omundu wakulira na ina kiringaneti oine ekatukendera ya akasofra bandu dukoresha washer and dryer nindo watashekoresha microwave nindo watashekoresha washer. In very ruat just because yawe chindu chine second nature to you sichi manyisa chitu buli mundu nature sichi everyone knows how to use that thing. So never like maybe without information which you cannot people can benefit from, always share it. There's always someone for whom that information is information, it's news. Ngiye bukangala mu airport how to navigate security muna terera munyoni wa Boston amanyela baram like hari abi mundu awute video ngeshini mukozi nyekabwolo konzi nyabero soborera ati bwanu kwa ukendentebe ukakola uchale abandi bantu banabere bakendo mushandege bangani kana buina akayila bidaya abiri ndo mwandege belero kitukenderia. No, there's always someone never kutimbira kuna busikire abukore nkono abukore kana utimbu banasi yabeno ina SHS for example yanch nakolesa microwave umuntu wo kubanza 2022 ingana America ke Rwanda lotumuna abantu abasuite beti njokuwe tukunyigulire siyireko a washer and a dryer. I first used them and interacted with them in 2022 omuko munane isino mukasemwa hano beti nje eke yinyikulire esesereyo. So that's why sometimes ngana sovorere chindu au ndi mnduna ngene wate beti onindo weta chess my idea abantu bane bakasiba chess yani information okumuntu oyu KM teacher now ma unaota chindu chukwelekera uti ukayibandi chabo lichiro kwiwe. Never be afraid to share it or explain it because there's someone for whom that information is news, it's information, it's not something common.